What's this stench?
There's a fire.
Save us!
Our house is burnt down.
Dreadful! We'll build some new houses for you.
We gotta go. Phew, we're out of the woods.
Welcome to the new house.
I mean, it's empty.
You have to play a little first.
Oh, I'm big on playing, you know.
Not that. I meant a video game.
How's it looking? We should try this house.
Honey, you're a natural gamer.
Thanks!
So what do we do next?
What do you mean? Paint, obviously.
That'll speed things up. Nice job.
Hey, I want that for myself.
I got something for you!
Beautiful. Now we're talking.
I'll take pink over anything.
A blue house has always been a dream of mine.
Hey, don't swear.
This is fixable. Here's for you.
And you.
Yay!
Everyone's where they're supposed to be now.
I'm really cramped in here.
I have an idea. It's easy to fix. Done.
Much better now.
You can easily get lost in a palace like that.
Why does it smell like steak?
Yay! A barbecue party!
It's not. It's another fire.
Oh, Lord. We're all basically dead. Help!
I'm petrified!
It's gonna leave us homeless once again.
Help!
Don't fret. I've got your back. It won't unlock.
Please, hurry!
We need a lot of likes to unlock it. Please, hit your thumbs up.
I struggle to hit a thumb up because I've got paws.
You guys are our last and best hope! Hit the like button!
Yay, it worked.
You saved both us and our houses!
We can't thank you guys enough.
Gosh, it hurts me to listen to it.
That's bad. A little better.
I'm gonna use my ears for the house.
Whoa, that's cute.
You're finally done with your atrocious music.
I have something in mind!
I'm really into this music, you know.
Honey, you have a knack for it.
Big deal. I could do that. Gotta admit, that I can't do.
Good job, honey. Bravo.
Thanks!
You're something else.
A simple keyboard is not my thing. A trumpet is the real deal.
I'll look up a nice music teacher!
He's back at it again.
Gotta get over with this.
Oh dear. Whoa.
That looks cool!
That was the initial idea, you know.
Knock it off.
You got the wrong idea. Bon appetit.
Yummy!
I was forced to listen to that.
You've earned it.
Hey, never take food from strangers.
Sorry, it won't happen again.
Never let your pet take food from strangers.
No matter how good it looks.
Comment down below. I'm no stranger.
It's clearly missing something.
Take a selfie and you'll put a finger on it.
We'll see. Right, a bow will be a great fit. What the heck is that? Whoa!
Looks cool.
I like it too!
The place is weirdly quiet.
What are you up to? Whoa! The speaker's as big as me!
You're gonna love it. Almost done.
Are you okay?
This is easy as ABC.
I don't think so.
Uh-oh.
I'm forced to take the matter into my own paws.
One last touch. Let's rock this dump.
Lord, what's going on?
I must put an end to that.
Drake, where are you going? Drake, you saved our necks!
I prefer rap music, you know.
Hey, where did the bass go?
Drake put an end to your gig.
You don't give my talent enough credit. Now that is decent.
I actually like this better.
That's what I wanted all along.
Want to see a magic trick?
Always.
Watch.
Pinky, what's wrong?
You'll see in a moment. What do you think?
You freaked me out.
It's okay. Those are jelly. Sorry, I won't scare you anymore. What is that? Drake, we need a mat too. I have an idea. Where's my marker?
Oops. There.
Ta-da!
Outstanding postmodernism.
No way! It's a mat!
Whoa, that makes me a legit musician.
You're right!
Hey, where am I supposed to sleep?
Oh gosh, it slipped my mind!
My head is spinning around.
There it is!
It's for me, right?
Yeah!
Yay, a box!
No way! It's a bed for you!
That actually tops the box.
Where's my bed?
You know,
You're not gonna give me a bed?
I'll figure something out. So,
I'd hate to sleep on a jacket.
what about now?
I mean, it's your pillow.
I've got nothing else left.
I'm all alone in this. Done!
Anyone ordered a bed?
I did.
Money first.
I'm broke.
I could help you out.
Do you have money?
I have a song.
You want to buy anything with a song?
You are the best! May I have your signature? Sure.
Appreciate the help.
It's not for you, it's for Honey. Loser.
This is clearly better than an old jacket!
Food, food, food.
You're hungry. We'll give you some food.
This is freakishly good.
I want a treat!
Enjoy.
Basic bowls could use a little upgrade!
Whoa, this is a game changer.
Hey! How come I didn't get any snacks?
This is fixable.
Yum, yum, yum!
Hey, where's my food?
What's going on?
My food vanished.
Please comment down below who snatched the food. Jevin, are you behind it?
How could you think that?
There's no one else.
In that case, every man for himself.
I don't care.
I regret eating your food!
It's okay. I suggest we have some fun.
Hey, what's that?
Sorry, it's mine.
This is the ugliest puppy. You're not gonna see anything.
Poor puppy. Let her be.
Why?
Cutie, what's your name?
Roxy, I got kicked out.
I'm Pinky. I always wanted to have a dog.
I'm Jevin, and I'm not a dog person. Hey, where are you off to?
What is this place?
You'll be living here. Like it?
I struggle to see without glasses.
That's not me.
We'll take care of your eyes. Close one eye. I know what to do.
Are you positive?
I can prescribe special lenses.
Yay! I see! It's so pretty here.
Jevin might need a shot for his naughtiness.
I think I'm good. I'll get you in trouble, I promise.
Pick the Sprunki you want to be.
I'm into ratty.
Great choice.
What's that?
Your space.
La la la.
Oops, I didn't mean that.
You don't fit into my space.
We have a territory to clean up.
Where are you rolling me?
There.
Nice job.
You can't treat me like that.
The worst taste in music ever.
Give it up. You're totally clueless. Wait till you hear actually terrible music.
What are you up to?
The gig is on.
Clearly not Beethoven.
The gig goes sideways.
Pinky, what's up with you? Please, wake up! You gotta give Pinky the kiss of life. I'm not exactly a good player. Likes can help me, though. You guys, hit the like button to save Pinky. Almost there. We can try again.
What was that?
Jevin practically killed you. Luckily, our viewers had your back.
I owe you guys.
Phew, dodged it.
It's over for you.
Poor Jevin.
Jevin gave this as an excuse.
Knock yourselves out.
Perfect spot for it.
Thing is, I don't play piano.
I can hear that. We'll make a bed for you. Use AI.
This is really comfy.
Now, we might take care of the fur.
Sheer bliss.
What did you do to my instrument?
It's mine now.
I won't let this slide.
We'll refine your taste in music.
Looking chic.
All we gotta do is plug it in.
Gosh, they are huge. Who cares? The size doesn't matter. The sound does.
It's more challenging than I expected. I think I need help.
There's a button here, after all.
Thanks! You're awesome! Party time!
The other speaker doesn't work.
Weird. Jevin, help us fix this speaker.
I'd love to do that. Step aside.
This can't be good.
Ah, it hurts. I busted a gut for it.
I gotta take the matter into my own paws.
Easy there.
There's a surprise.
What's in it? I absolutely forgot to feed you.
Yay, lunchtime.
Make sure your pets are always full.
I might want to have a snack as well.
Sorry, you can't have that.
Why do dogs always get the best stuff?
And make a nice stand for it.
No problem. Bon appetit!
That's terrific.
The speakers are working.
May I have more?
You're hard to feed. I'll go get more.
I'll loosen up.
That's her. She's wild, savage, with a huge fleas. Lay it on a professional.
Let go of me.
What is this mess? Step aside from my dog.
The dog is super mad.
You guys, comment down below Roxy's kind.
Do you have any papers?
Rabies, fleas, and evil brother vaccination.
What about the collar?
Lord, it slipped my mind.
It's okay. You can buy it from me. That's not what I called you in for.
Pick the one you have your eyes on.
May I have this one?
You look great.
You're the cutest. Hey, it's a monster. This is awful.
I'll bite you all.
It's not nice. What's wrong with me? That's fixable. Awesome. Treat the patient 3 times a day.
Thanks.
Get well.
No worries, you'll be up and about very soon. We should pick clothes for you. We'll do a fashion show.
I have no idea what that is.
You'll see.
Whoa, you're a bombshell.
But this outfit is the most practical. We'll pick something out for you. A moment.
Now I'm officially Sprunki.
And a cutie.
I hate dogs. Snack time. I've got something for you.
That's fishy. Thing is, I can't say no. The snack has gone bad.
Don't give your pets suspicious food.
I didn't get a bone.
Cheer up! A bone, anyone?
Me!
Make sure you pamper your pets.
You're a true friend.
It's not over yet.
What's that?
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Let's clean your paws.
Nice job. My paws have never been this clean.
We'll do your nails.
Payback is coming.
All done.
I'm literally in heaven.
Next time you can wipe your paws here.
Got it.
No more chilling. Time to play.
Playing's my most favorite thing to do.
Now it's all yours.
The toys are really cool.
This is no good.
It's a hot mess.
This must be fixed.
Left. Perfect.
Let's arrange the stuff.
Don't leave this behind.
Now we're talking. Time to go outside.
Yay!
I told you I'd take revenge. I'll smash this dog space. Hush. I'll shut your mouth, you dumb chick. Much better. Where was I? Gotta hide.
We left out the most important part. It's important to clean after your pets.
Who did this?
Super sketchy. Comment down below if you know who's behind it.
I won't sit back and watch it.
What's on your mind?
There'll be security. There.
Hide!
Looks like they left. What's with the ugly ducks?
It sounds like music.
Sounds cool.
I need a dog. Give me a dog. I need a dog. Give me a dog.
Hey, where are you going?
I want a puppy. Give me a puppy. It's love at first sight.
Can't thank you enough for saving me.
I've got something for you.
You're gonna pay for it. Hands off my puppy.
Dance your way out of here. Welcome home.
I absolutely love this place.
Look what I've got.
Hey, keep it down.
Meet my brother, Jevin. Our new pet, Daisy.
She's the biggest nerd and a loser.
Gosh, you've got to be kidding me.
I'm calling our parents.
Oh.
Don't pick it, Daisy.
This will come in handy.
It'll be your spot.
This is way cooler than the shelter.
You'll pay for it.
I'm hot.
Let's dress out. We'll start with the eyes. Let's check the vision.
I'm afraid I can see nothing at all.
We'll fix that.
I'm terrified.
Hey, where are you going?
That'll teach you a lesson about barking at me.
It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
This smell is kind of sketchy.
This is totally wrong. Did you guys see who replaced the drops? Jevin, have you seen the drops?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I can smell something. I know you've got them.
I have nothing.
Give it back.
All right, all yours.
Shame on you.
I was only kidding.
Pet health is no joke. Better now.
Now I can see well. God, now I see a giant zit.
This is fixable. Shall we see what you've got? No wonder you got a zit.
Candy is my weakness.
This is the best for the job. Beauty time! Jevin, are you in?
I'm handsome as it is.
You're $1 million baby!
No, you are.
You forgot to brush your teeth.
I didn't have a toothbrush in the shelter.
1 second. This should do. Your breath will be fresh from now on.
My teeth are so clean.
Ooh, what's that smell? Ugh.
This is way better for your teeth.
Yum!
Did you take my toothbrush?
You don't mind if it's for the pet, do you?
Ew!
So nice. I'm in heaven.
I hate pets.
What are you doing?
Jevin would like to help us.
Jevin, this is so cute.
I've never had my own bed before.
Least I could do.
Yay! I'm officially a musician.
Wow. Daisy, you're a natural.
I'm the one and only talented musician.
I forgot my toy.
Catch up.
Thank you very much.
Your music is missing drums. Don't get too comfortable. Where's the bang? It went wrong.
We should pick nice clothes for you.
Yay! A fashion show!
This is not good. No, no.
What if there's nothing decent for me?
This is the only thing left.
Too bad. I didn't get anything.
You know, it's mine.
Chin up, I have an idea.